My name's Chad from Delcom, Louisiana. This is my 2012 Nissan Titan. It's got the 6-inch lift, Dirt King suspension, the Icon shocks, XD series rims, 20-inch, 1250 35 Corsair, Mastercraft Corsairs, MXTs. There's the control arms, coilovers, Icon. Front shot of her, how she's sitting. She's not a show truck. She's got chips and scratches. Nissan's bad for their paint flaking off. Got the little bully steps. Catback exhaust. Chrome USA tip on it. Give you a shot from the rear. Let's see. Rough stuff diff cover. There's lifetime warranty. There's the Icons shocks. Bed liner. This is actually the Rhino lined. I got a Fosgate 600.1 punch amp on 112 in a ported box. A shot of the inside. Pioneer touchscreen deck, DVD player, navigation system. That was aftermarket. Got my Fosgate base remote knob mounted here. Another shot from the rear. I have another amp for my highs and the mids. It's a Pioneer. It's a 400 watt Kenwood. Right now I think it's like 155,000 miles on it. No trouble with it. Engine runs good, powerful. As far as engine work, all I have is a cold air intake. The air raid cold air intake. Fuse block for the amp sound system. Traction bars, Dirt King. It's a little rusty. She's a good, dependable truck. Like the stance, 6-inch lift on it. Kids complain getting in and out is hard for them, but that's her. Alrighty, y'all. Thanks.